Unit of refrigeration. Unit of refrigeration is ton, TON, ton. So the definition of ton is the quantity of heat required to add 1 ton of ice at 0 degrees centigrade to become water at 0 degrees centigrade within 24 hours is called ton of refrigeration. The same ton of refrigeration can be expressed in other way also. The quantity of heat required to remove from 1 ton of water at 0 degree centigrade to become ice at 0 degree centigrade within 24 hours is also called as ton of refrigeration. Means whatever the water or ice which is taken, it has to be heat removed or added at 0 degree centigrade only. Now, the ton means generally it is the unit for mass. The amount of mass is expressed as in terms of kg, ton, etc. But how the unit of refrigeration become ton? So initially in olden days, natural refrigeration, first point in that we discussed, transported from colder region and supplied in hotter region. In USA, one businessman named Frederick Juder, he having other name called the Ice King. He sold ice cubes, he harvested ice and he is selling in the places where ice is not formed. So he harvested in the colder regions and transported to other region and he is selling in terms of weight of the ice. So people are buying in terms of weight. I need 1 ton of ice, half ton of ice, like that they are buying. So in that manner, 1 ton of refrigeration means it came. So the definition of 1 ton refrigeration, which is equal to 3.5 kilowatt, it came like this. So 1 ton, 1 US ton is 907.185 kg. It is not 1000 kg. It is US ton. Then the latent heat of ice equal to 333.55 kilojoule per kg. We can call this as a heat of fusion also. Means this much amount of heat which is required per kg of ice to become water. Now, as per the definition, 1 ton of refrigeration means 1 ton means 907.185 kg, which having the latent heat of 333.55 kilojoule per kg. This much amount of heat which is required to be added in 24 hours. 24 hours means 24 divided by 24 into 60. For every 1 hour 60 minutes will be there and every 1 minute 60 seconds will be there. So the denominator will be 24 into 60 into 60. This fraction whole together, this fraction will be 3.5022 kilowatt. So which is rounded off and that one will be 3.5 kilowatt. The same unit of ton of refrigeration is used in present days also. Means while we are buying a refrigerator, we will call how many tons of refrigerator is required. While we are buying AC, we will call 1 ton AC required, 1.5 ton AC required, 2 ton AC required, like that. So everywhere we are using the word called ton, that is the unit for refrigeration, which is equals to 3.5 kilowatt.